Hi there, my name is Francis. The reason why I chose to go back to school now to pursue a degree in social work is because it's actually been a goal of mine for quite a long time, for probably about the last 10 years. And so I've been working from home for the last 8 months, taking part in virtual teaching. And being at home in the middle of a pandemic had really made me reflect on what I wanted to do with my career. If it's to continue to stay in special education or to just do more. And I was looking for more career opportunities to expand my career aspirations. And so it's the reason why I chose to go back to school. I'm happy to be here, happy to be a part of this program, and I'm looking forward to working and meeting with you all. Take care.